Hey y'all, what y'all doing? Watching me? Oh, right. No, I'm kidding, y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to my first YouTube video. Y'all are loved. Y'all are appreciated from the bottom of my heart. But all jokes aside, this is my first YouTube video, and I'm just doing something simple, natural makeup look. And I'm starting off with my eyebrows. You can call it the Anastasia or the Anastasia brow pomade. I am using my dark brown on my eyebrows, just filling those out. They may look a little lopsided, they might be, but that's okay. That's between me and my eyebrows, okay? Thank you. And I'm showing you my brush that I use to conceal. Yep, boom. I'm doing that on my eyebrows, fanning them out, making sure they're not too boxy. And there we go. Taking my foundation color, you guys, and it looked a little dark. It could have been the light that I was using. It was 3 a.m. I didn't really have good light, so at times I feel like I was ashy, at times I feel like I was dark. So, but long story short, I wasn't. It just came up that way. But at the end, it'll all come together. Trust me, I'm not sending you off. So yeah, and I also took a lighter shade because, like I said, it looked darker, excuse me. So I just went over. And this is my LA Girl Pro Concealer, y'all. I am concealing my eyes. I like a lighter look, and I'm just blending. No matter what you do, I need you to blend that makeup. It don't matter where you at, how old you are, blend that makeup, okay? That's the key. Even if you got, I don't know what you got, but whatever you got going on, blend your makeup. And I take my setting powder. I don't like to bake, as what most people do. I like to bake it in my skin. And what I mean by that, I like to just set it in, boom. That's the way I bake. Taking some contour and just taking that on my cheeks, making sure it looks good in the mirror. And you guys, I'm sorry, I feel like I just really left y'all out with the products that I used. I'm a rookie. I can admit that. I can admit my wrongs. I'm sorry for being a rookie. So I forgot to show the products, and yeah, I'll drop them down below if I feel like it. I'll do better next video, guys. I'm just pinching a small fan brush out for contour. Now, I don't like contouring my nose too much. I just don't think it's my cup of tea. But some girls be looking real snatch may do that. But I do it just like real subtle look. I'm a real soft contour on my nose. Y'all seen it? I need a check, baby girl. Taking some highlighter on my cheekbones. Like I said, a real soft look, nothing too extreme. Now, if you want to, baby girl, you can do that. You can be as bossed up, as extreme as you want to be. But like I said, it was 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was just doing something because I was bored. So something real soft for me, real soft eyeshadow, a brown shade, just one coat, and a soft highlighter. And then you'll see me lining my lips with I believe the brand was NYX, a brown shade, and adding some lip gloss. So nothing too dramatic, real simple. just adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. Once again, I'm dancing, always dancing. Yep, just taking some mascara to those lashes, adding my finishing touches. Girl, you can't even say touches. Touches, adding my finishing touches. And then that is it. Hey girl, hey boo. Thank y'all for watching. Something real simple. Hope you guys enjoyed. I appreciate you for tuning in. See y'all next time. Peace.